This is Josh Deason with IT210 Linux going over our users and groups. So instructions were to set up groups for human resources through outsourcing, set passwords for two of the for the human resources and management group, which we did that, and then set up all these users. So basically to show what basically groups and users we have set up. I got the command for cat /etc/group. We hit that and we can see starting in the middle there, we got our normal account for our JDeason, then our admin account we set up last week, and then starting down we have human resources, and it shows the users that are on that. So we got Ted and Sally, we have IT with Holly and Cindy, we have engineering with Bruce, Phil, and Doug. We have sales, which nobody signed for that. Management is Betty, Colleen, and Tracy. Call center's blank. Externals got Scott. Quality assurance got Tim. Research and development and outsourcing, and then finance. I had to change the name on it, so it shows up at the bottom here with Janine. And then there's Ted all the way through Jared, set up for the users there, so that way we can see what groups are who are assigned to which group. If we want to see who's assigned to a particular group in general, and then let's go with Tim. Tim's in quality assurance. Or if we go Phil, and that'll show us Phil's in IT and engineering. So that's one way we can see that. So if we go to a particular, clear that one out. All right, and then what is the difference between a regular user and a system user? So we got regular user is created for interactive use, such as logging into the system and performing tasks like editing files, running programs, and more. Regular users have limited permissions and can perform administrative tasks, or cannot perform administrative tasks unless given specific permissions through tools like sudo. System users are created for running system services and daemons such as databases, web servers, whatnot. System users usually do not have a home directory or login shell because they are not intended for interactive use. So these are the list of who's supposed to be in what group. So we did that. All right, command used to add a user to a group is going to be, here we go. So the command used to assign users to a group would be this one. So it's sudo user mod -a capital G, and then what group. So we got external and then Scott. So that's the syntax for that command. And then the command used to display the group membership of an account, we went over that. So we have went over that one already. And then this command for the password is sudo gpassword and then the account. But that's also the command we have to use if we want to delete a user from the account. So we do sudo gpassword for group password --delete, and then the username and the group name will delete the user from a group. And then groups user, did that earlier, shows the groups that a user is assigned to. Cat etc group, that's what shows the list of all the groups and users. And sudo user mod ag group user, that's what adds a user to a group. And then that is it.